Hi, these plushies are so nice to hug. You know, it's they're really super soft, and it's beautiful how everything is so ornate and elaborate. And they're collectible. So there's this one. This is my favorite one, but there's like a bunch of them with different brands of candy. So if you're a candy fan, like I am, this is my favorite because it's a unicorn. You see how cute? It's like a unicorn. Let me show you. It's very cute, right? It has different candies. It's golden, and it has the little horn right there. So if you can collect many of these, they're different. They're really soft and squishy, and they're good for, like, I have them here on my sofa when I want to watch TV and have like something to lay my head on. They're just perfect for that. So the Plush by ZURU.